Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to remove tools from Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove tools from Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And when this interface appears, you can see the settings button available for us, which is just below your data in maps. Tap on settings, and on this interface scroll down to the bottom of the list and you can find the navigation settings over here. Tap on the navigation settings, and over here scroll down a little bit and you can find the avoid tools option available for us. Now to remove tools from Google Maps, whenever you search for a destination, make sure the avoid tools button is turned on like this. When the toggle icon is turned blue, the avoid tools is enabled, which means that anytime you search for a destination to go somewhere, you will have removed your tools from Google Maps. And with that being said, guys, this is how to remove tools from Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.